creams can do wonders for your skin. Their nourishing and hydrating properties can help you get a soft and supple skin. They can help in replenishing the skin cells while sleeping. At times, finding the perfect night cream for your skin type can be quite a daunting task. If you're looking out for some natural and organic ways to keep your skin healthy and nourished, then here's organic night creams that you can easily prepare at home with readily available ingredients in your home. Watch on to know more about them. In this video we will making aloe vera night cream recipe. So let's get started. Aloe vera is known to be quite effective in treating acne and blemishes. It aids in nourishing the skin by keeping it well hydrated. To make this organic night cream, you would require these ingredients: 2 tablespoons aloe vera extracts, 1 teaspoon lavender oil, ½ teaspoon green tea. Extract fresh aloe vera gel from the plant and mix it with lavender oil. Add a ½ teaspoon of green tea or green tea powder and blend until a smooth and thick texture is attained. Apply it overnight to your skin for effective results. Store the cream in airtight glass container and apply it daily. Note: aloe vera may cause allergic reactions in individuals with sensitive skin or allergy-prone skin and hence, should be used with caution. Lavender oil benefits: a truly classic oil in skin care, it supports optimal hydration and the skin's natural healthful state. Green tea benefits: reduces skin inflammation. Green tea contains a huge numbers of polyphenols called catechins, treats acne, exfoliates gently, clears clogged pores, fights premature aging, hydrates the skin, controls oil. It's good for all skin type. If you want a DIY night cream for oily, dry, and acne-prone skin, please comment us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Watch our more videos for your healthy skin.